Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Nessa. So today I will be doing my eyelashes. If you all are interested in these type of video, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'll be using the first thing that you need to do your eyelashes is a tweezer, and the glue I will be using is from Sassy Eyelashes glue, and this is the glue that I like to use. And I will be using some 3D mink eyelashes, and this is how the eyelashes look. Let me just show you a closer look of these lashes. So the first thing I'll be doing is lining up my lashes, and this is the lashes. This is how it looks. Okay, this is how the lashes looks, and I'm just going to line it up to make sure it is not too long for my eyes. Most of the times I do have to cut my lashes, so line it up. This lashes I do have to cut just a little piece. Okay, so I'm just gonna line it up again. Okay, so I'm going to use some mascara. You all could use any mascara you like. I'm just going to put some on my lashes. Just put a very little bit. Okay, like that. Just show you all like this, not too much. Okay, so I leave my eyelashes to dry about 3 minutes. So I'm gonna place my eyelash on, and when I place it, I count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think and what video you would like to see next. So yeah guys, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and let's get the discussion popping down below, and I will see you dolls in the next one. Bye guys.